So hey guys, I'm gonna do another squishy video today. I'm sorry I haven't posted in a long time, but we're gonna do this. So first you wanna get your studio ready. This is just like a Sharpie box that I have. I use this to like do my stuff on. I have a Sharpie to draw if I need to remake. I have some markers. I cut this squishy to heart. This is the extra sharp. Oh, I just said Sharpie. This is the extra part. And I got scissors if I need to use them. I got my colors, my also other colors. Shh, don't look at those are bad. Okay, so first, I gotta choose what brush I want. Sorry, I'm watching TV. Wow, that looks so great. I think I'm gonna have to do like 2 to 3 coats. So, comment down below what you did today. Just because I'm awkward. I'm gonna read it, and if it's something really funny, I will give you a shout out. Like, really funny. I'll give out a shout out, put it in the next video that I make. Or not, maybe not the next video, but the next recent videos. You can still see the eye. That's really creepy. This is creepy. I'm sorry, I'm a little child, so I'm watching Andy Mac, okay? Hate on me all you want, okay? I'm still wet. Oh yeah, I'm gonna be doing another video because I don't know if I have to go back and through my videos and see if I posted a video of my room in the background because I just changed my room. Like, there's my new bed. My bed used to be like right where I'm at. So, yeah. Okay, I'm gonna let that dry on the side. Wow. I think I'm gonna make this into like cake slices. So, yeah. Ow. I'm sorry, I watch Disney Channel, okay? Come at me. Antoine Ducker. But like, okay, I also have a trash can over here. Like, I'm gonna see if this video is only like, I'm gonna try to make this video only 8 minutes because I don't want it to be too long. So, yeah. Ugh, that was difficult. And I don't know what I just said. If you want to send me squishies, I will remake them and then I'll put it in a video. If you want to do that, got you. I'm gonna put an address that I trust. I'm not putting my home address because that's just stupid. Put a home address for you to look at, and It's really sticky. Okay, I'm just gonna touch up this one real quick. Yeah, poof, good. Poof, no, poof it, poof. Oh my gosh. Okay. If you know me, I do pageants. And I really enjoy them. But I don't know if I'm going to keep doing them. I want to. Sharon and Dunker. I'm sorry. I play on my phone while I watch TV. Wow, that was beautiful. Okay. Oh my gosh. Okay. I'm gonna start painting this one. Yeah. Catch you on the flip-flop.
Hey, D, you at the dance? Ray, we got a problem. The Chicago airport is closed because of the snowstorm and they had to divert my flight.
Who has a problem with that?
I'm stranded at this tiny airport about an hour away.
Well, I guess then, but...
How did you not see this coming? You're a weatherman.
Okay.
You not see it coming. You're a psychic.
How come I didn't see it coming? Oh, wait. I did.
I felt terrible letting Mia down. No. No one is letting anybody down on you. Stay right there.
Oh.
Get in the car right now and come get you. Come on, Levi. Get your coat on. All right, we gotta get to car. Are you sure it's coming down?
Oh my goodness.
Don't worry about that, Levi. Look, snow can't stop me.
But a lot of snow can.
But a lot of snow can.
I wonder if I can make watercolors. I should do a watercolor painting.
Thank you all for coming to our annual father-daughter dance. There are snacks and drinks and the photo stand is now open.
Okay. This is probably going to be a long video, but if you know what I mean.
It helps you poop? Okay, then party on! Your phone will be ready in a few minutes. Booker, why do you think John's not here yet? He's probably just talking traffic at the airport. Yeah, you're probably right. Thanks, Booker. You know I always got your back. Alright, what's behind my back?
Okay, I'm just going to
Hey, sorry, man. No photos tonight.
push that over there.
No photos?
Okay.
Why does tonight have to be all about Sheridan? Hello? Father-daughter dance.
I don't know what color I want to do this.
You know what? The Dunker's about to meet the dancer. Watch me work.
Comment down below,
Dad, I'm gonna go get us something.
and then in a few videos later, I'll do a before and after pictures. Okay? Okay. See y'all later. Okay, I'm back. It's been like 2 days because I'm a very busy person. Yeah, I made the worst editing decision. I got a haircut. Okay, so after like 5 to 6 layers of paint, I finally finished them. Okay, so I want y'all to comment down below which one's y'all's favorite whenever y'all... Okay, so this one, this is the tag. It says MW either way you look at it. It's a cheese. Thought of it like that. Okay, this next one, it's a blueberry like cake thing.
I was screaming bloody murder.
So, yeah. And a heart. I don't know why I added a face, but I did. And then this is the tag. Well, it's supposed to be like this. And you remember that white piece I said I didn't know what to do with it? I still haven't painted it. I think it'll be in the next video that I do, which will probably be maybe this weekend or Monday. So that's the end of my video. Cringe.